Oh yeah, we got something good. Another spot. Off you go, Chief. Where'd he go? He's lost. See you later, buddy. We're going kayaking on the river today, kind of small, medium-sized river. Should be a fun float. It's gonna be a nice day. See if we can catch some fish. Just kind of wheeling the boat through the park here. There's a little ramp and we'll get in and see what we can do. I'm actually really excited about this. Not been on this river before. Here we go. Woohoo!
You can tell I'm like Mr. Whitewater kayaker, right? So in terms of looking for fish, what I'm gonna do is concentrate mostly on river bends and deeper holes, places where we see, you know, structural stuff, big boulders. Yeah, we're just gonna look for fishy stuff and places where we can stop. Kind of a combo paddling adventure and fishing day.
All right, it's getting a lot slower right away here. I think we probably have 2 or 3 feet of depth under us. Ooh, wow. What's that? I think that's a blue heron. That's a big bird, man. Huh? See this big boulder floating over? All right, right at this first bend here, there's a beach on the left-hand side, and it looks like there's some deeper water over there on the outside of the bend. So I'm probably gonna look for somewhere to park. We'll throw out some cut bait and cast around a little bit more. Kind of our first little pit stop. I imagine there's, oh. What'd we get? Spotted bass. Hey. Spotted bass. Nice. All right, cool. First fish. Nice one too. Let's pull up on this perfect little section of beach here, right across from this bend. This is prime. This will also be for if we want to keep a catfish. We got sunfish for bait. All right, let's see. We got a bunch of tackle in here. I need some bank sinkers. Which I brought. Here's a bunch. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is put a sinker on this sinker slide here. Snap it on there. 2-ounce bank sinker. That slide is on our main line above a swivel. Below the swivel we got a leader. Down to, that's just a 2-aught circle hook. I don't think there's anything huge in here. A very small head from a very small fish. And yeah, I'll lob this out here and see if a catfish finds it. And throw this little jig around too. Nice deep hole and a nice bend. I feel like something's gonna find that cut bait. We'll see. Yeah, if you follow this channel, you may never have seen that kayak before. I got it about 6 months ago, primarily for doing stuff like this. Just to have a smaller, lighter, more maneuverable kayak for kind of more bare bones trips. It's shorter, it's way lighter. It's a Crescent CK1. It's pretty sweet, I'm liking it so far. Ooh, look at this bird. I think that's a blue heron. Big ass bird, man. That thing's got like a 5-foot wingspan. I don't know a lot about birds, but I read about this river a bit recently, and it said that it's a habitat for a lot of blue herons, big blue herons. So, and that bird was kind of bluish. I mean, how many other kinds of huge blue birds are there here that they didn't mention? Nothing so far here, but I mean, it looked pretty good. It's worth a shot. No. No, 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 no. Just don't break your rod. That'd be the real tragedy here. Okay. Woohoo! The water is cold on my feet. Pretty good spot for a catfish though, I think. Pretty good spot for any fish. Yeah, I'm gonna walk around and cast around this bend and watch the catfish rod there. All right, let's see if there's a fish on the outside of this bend. A few casts with the crawler and then we're gonna get going. We got a lot of river to cover, so. And I feel like any place we find with fish, they're gonna bite pretty quick, or not. Got one. Nice. Another spot. Nice. Come here, bass. Ah, nice fish. Off you go, Chief. Where'd he go? He's lost. See you later, buddy. A little bit of fast water. Nothing too bad. Looks like we can go right between these rocks, I hope. Woo! Man, this is cool. There's something loud up ahead that I'm a little concerned about. Oh, some fast water up there. Uh-oh. Oh, threw my crawler off. Go in between these two rocks here. There's another big rock there. Woohoo!
Nice.
All right, right now I'm just in this section that's just really really shallow and straight. I don't think there's gonna be any fish in here. Just kind of floating down, enjoying the ride. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but you probably can just by the way the surface of the water looks, and you can probably see the bottom. I don't know if it shows up, but hey, we got a fish. Oh, it was a baby, but we caught a fish. I think we got a bite. Oh yeah, we got something good. Another spot. Come here, come here. Ah! Hold on a sec, Bass. Let me just get out of here. All right, buddy, I'm sorry. Just clean this guy off for a second here. All right, there's our final fish. Probably like a 1.5 pound. I don't know if that's a spotted bass or a largemouth. Cool, get out of here, buddy. Looks like we really just found a good fishy spot here. It's deep and slow and wide. This whole stretch right here, the river bends here, there's wood all over, it's great. Too bad I got here late because I gotta get booking right now. I would love to stay here and fish for an hour or two, but it's gonna get dark on me and I don't want to be paddling down the river in the dark. I'm gonna take note of this particular zone on the river and I'm coming back here. But yeah, first trip out on the river, super cool, it's beautiful. We caught some bass. I think they were all 3-spotted bass. I'm not sure about that last one, but correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, please. This looks like a great section of river right here. Too bad we didn't find it till it was time to go home, but we did find it. Thanks a lot for coming along. We'll do more river fishing soon. Oh my gosh, this looks great. Dude, this is so deep. Ooh, I can't touch the bottom.